In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get custom pieces and a custom board on chess.com, and we'll complete this in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a chess enthusiast wanting to personalize your experience, or simply curious about the different customization options available on chess.com, this guide is for you. Let's get started right away. First, open up your web browser and go to the chess.com website, which you can easily find by typing chess.com into the address bar, or by searching chess.com play chess online. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner of the page where you'll see the option to log in. Go ahead and click on login. If you haven't logged into your account yet, you'll need to do that next. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. If you have created your account using Google, Apple or Facebook, you have the option to log in using these platforms. Once you've entered your credentials or chosen your preferred login method, click to proceed and you'll be directed to your chess.com account. After you're logged in, the next step is to head over to your settings. You can find this by clicking on the settings option in your account menu, usually found near your profile avatar or name. Once inside the settings, locate the board and pieces section. This is where you'll be able to dive into all of your customization options. Click on board and pieces, and then you'll want to select pieces. Here, chess.com provides a variety of different styles and designs to choose from. You can click through them to see a preview of each style and select the one that best matches your taste. Whether you prefer a classic wooden look or something more modern and sleek, there's a style to suit every player. Then you'll move on to customizing your board, adding your personal touch to the game room or any other setup you prefer. Locate the drop down box beside the board, click it, and you'll see numerous design options. Feel free to explore each design's unique aesthetic and choose the one that appeals most to you. From a modern translucent finish to a vintage wood grain, the choice is entirely yours. Once you've settled on a design for both your pieces and board, don't forget to save your changes. There's a save button that you need to click on to ensure that all of your customizations are applied. After saving, your new board and pieces design will automatically be used in your games as soon as you click on play. That's all there is to it. Now you can enjoy a personalized chess experience that reflects your own style and preferences. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more useful chess tips and tricks. Happy playing!